As the sun rises over the calm waters, the day begins for the fishermen who harvest one of the ocean's most prized delicacies, crabs. On board the fishing boats, nets are cast into the sea, pulling up live crabs fresh from their natural habitat. Each crab wriggles and moves, showcasing the vitality and freshness that ensures the highest quality for consumers. Fishermen carefully sort the catch by size, separating the mature crabs from the smaller ones, preparing them for transport. Once sorted, the crabs are carefully placed into crates and moved to the transport vehicle, ready to begin their journey to the processing factory. Inside the truck, crates are stacked securely, ensuring the crabs remain alive and unharmed during the ride. Arriving at the factory, the crates are unloaded by trained workers, maintaining strict hygiene and handling standards. At the receiving area, each crate is inspected, weighed, and logged, ensuring traceability from the sea to the factory floor. The crabs are washed thoroughly on conveyor belts, removing sand, salt, and other impurities, readying them for processing. Moving along the conveyor, crabs are sorted again, with damaged or undersized crabs set aside, guaranteeing only the best reach the next stage. Next, the crabs are carefully cooked using precise steaming methods, preserving flavor, color, and texture. After cooking, the crabs are rapidly cooled to retain freshness, with every shell glistening and ready for meat extraction. Skilled workers remove the shells and extract the tender crab meat, a process requiring both precision and care. Every portion of crab meat is inspected for quality, ensuring only the finest pieces make it to packaging. The meat is placed into trays and moved along automated conveyors, prepared for vacuum sealing and distribution. Vacuum sealing preserves freshness and extends shelf life, removing all air from the packs to keep the crab meat pristine. Each pack is carefully labeled with production details, providing traceability and information for consumers. A final quality check confirms that every pack meets the highest standards before entering cold storage. The crab packs are stored in cold rooms, ensuring they remain fresh and safe until they reach the market. Finally, the packed crabs are loaded onto trucks, ready to be delivered to restaurants, stores, and consumers worldwide.
The crab meat is steamed, grilled, fried, or mixed into special sauces to create delicious meals.
Your crab dishes. Enjoy.
Thank you. This looks incredible.
Absolutely.
I can't wait to dig in. Cheers to that. Cheers.